Hi, this is Sam from Hunter's Design Studio, and this is a Quilt Talk YouTube short. And this one is 7 reasons why I love quilt kits. I love a good quilt kit. In this too busy life, a well-designed kit can give you fast success with a minimum amount of fuss. I realize some people think that quilt kits are cheating, so unless your quilting experience is being governed by a state board with graded exams, I can't really see where this could be considered a cheat. And again, why are we making arbitrary rules that make people feel excluded from our lovely and vast community? Look, you get to do your quilting practice your way. In my opinion, anything that helps you have fun making your next project gets top marks. So here are 7 reasons why I love quilt kits. 1, it's an all-in-one package. A quilt kit usually includes all the necessary materials to complete a project. This makes it easier for those new to quilting to get started in a snap. 2, they're usually made with high-quality materials. A kit often includes high-quality fabric, which means your finished project will look great and last a long time. Thus, if we're going to use our precious time to sew, let's make sure we make something that's going to last. 3, you already like the finished quilt. If you worry about wasting time or money, a kit is a great way to guarantee you're going to like what you make because you've already seen the finished result, either in a store or online, and liked it enough to be interested in replicating it. 4, kits help you with fabric choices. If you're new to choosing your own fabrics, or nervous about getting it just right, or just can't make one more decision right now, a kit solves that problem for you. So just buy one and get sewing. 5, kits are time-saving. With a quilt kit, you don't have to spend hours searching for the perfect fabrics. Everything you need is included, usually down to the binding. 6, quilt kits are inspiring. Kits often come with patterns that can introduce you to new designers. So your next project can be inspired by this one. 7, kits are convenient. You only need to go shopping once for everything. Also, if you buy it online, it will magically appear at your door. This has been a Quilt Talk short. Catch you on the next one.